Alrighty, we are back, and as you can see, what we end up having here, this is the model that we ended up manipulating in the last video. I had a good time doing that, so we took two models. We took the frame, which was in blue, a free file off of Printables or Colts or something. I just looked up frame and found something for free, and boom, it was there. Then I took the model of Ivor, the 32 millimeter STL that we had. We took that, we sliced it and kind of put the two together, and we assembled it when we had both of those things selected in Creality Print, and then we sliced it down, boom, and printed out. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to take a look because it just finished printing. So come with me into the cave, and we're doing some painting, but forgive the noise, but there is our model. And in case you're wondering, ended up taking 4 hours and 25 minutes, 91 grams. So we're good to go on that. We used Hyper PLA, not Hyper PLA, but Polymaker PLA. And there it is. This is kind of rough. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Look at that. Ivor came out kind of good there. Okay, so there you have it. What we ended up doing is taking a couple of models, the Ivor the Viking and a random picture frame that we found for free, and you can do the same thing. And this is what we ended up with. Talk about cool. I think that came out really good. So the next step would be to take this guy, and the next thing would be to prime and paint. And then you could hang this bad boy up and put a little bit of a background on here. But yeah, I think this turned out really good. So for those of you that are not, I should say, artistically inclined, you could do something like this, and it's not that hard. Check back to the previous video and, you know, man, boom. I mean, look at that. So we got that 3D effect there, if I can figure out that everything is backwards. But look at how good that turned out. Nice, nice, nice. So if you are a fan of Warhammer, if you're a fan of D&D, if you're a fan of whatever character, Pokemon, anime, manga, blah, 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 Marvel hero, whatever it is, and you want a different way to display your favorite character, pick up a frame, download it, take your character, slice it up like we did in Creality Print or any similar slicing program, and you could come out with something as cool as this. Alrighty, so that's it. Pretty good for a first-time job, huh? All right, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.